Hey everyone, it's Drew Dozer the Prophet. Today I want to marinate and grill a flat iron steak, and I'm going to begin by just showing you everything that I have. So first thing I have is Grill Mates mozzarella steak seasoning, and what this recipe calls for is for obviously this packet, some water, some vinegar, and some oil. And what you do is you whisk everything together, and then you apply the marinade to the steak. Marinate it. It says 15 minutes, but I'm going to let it marinate a little longer. Get back to you guys later. But step by step here. So I'm going to show you everything I have, and then I'm going to marinate it. So first off, Grill Mates mozzarella steak seasoning, some decent olive oil, run-of-the-mill red wine vinegar. I have a little cup of water, and then I have a little saucepan to mix in. Also, it says 2 pounds. It's a little less than 2 pounds, but here's my flat iron steak. Pretty delicious. So I'm gonna mix everything, and I'll get back to you here when I grill it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the McCormick's and put it in my little bowl I have set up. Let me put you down for just a second here. Okay, that'll work. McCormick's. Into the bowl. Okay, back it says a quarter cup of olive oil. Add the water in there. Olive oil in there. If I could get the stupid thing open. It didn't say necessarily to use olive oil, but I'm kind of getting sick of vegetable oil, so olive oil's good. Add it to the mix here. Vinegar, never go wrong with vinegar. Same amount of vinegar to the mix, quarter cup. Into the mix. And now for the fun part. You get to watch me whisk it. I'm not using an actual whisk because I don't like them, frankly. But I'll whisk that for about 1 to 2 minutes. So I'll see you here in a little bit when we get the grill ready to rock and roll. The grill is preheated. It's at least 400 degrees. That's what I want. The coals are white. There's some black there left, but I was going to put the steak right here in the middle. And I'm aiming for, I could do checkered grill lines, but I'm just going to do straight grill lines. So what I want to do, the steak has been sitting in the marinade in my container. Let's take it. I'll use the rest of this to kind of baste the steak with as it cooks. Pop it right there in the middle. Get it flat so it makes nice grill marks. And I'll kind of pour a little bit on top. And we want to leave this on here from anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. And open flame is okay as long as it's not, doesn't last that long. And if it starts to get really hot and a lot of open flame, I put the lid back on and just put the fire out. But basically just get all this marinade out on top of the steak. And that's about it for now. Yep, that's coming along nicely. And as you can see, there's not much open flame, if any at all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy over, see what it looks like. Ooh yeah, that's nice. We got some nice grill marks there. And we're gonna go for another, feel it here, and that feels pretty rare still. So I'm gonna go for another, probably 6 minutes, maybe 5.5, and see how it turns out. Next thing I wanna do, before I start the timer, the remaining McCormick marinade that was whipped up earlier, I'm gonna kind of just slowly pour that on there, right on top. Make sure that I don't spark up the flame too high. A little bit's fine. There we go. And I'll show you in a minute. And we're about wrapped up here. As you can see, steak is coming along fine. Definitely have a medium to medium well consistency, which is what we... And let's take this puppy off here. So what I'm going to do, I'll take it off, take it inside, put it on a cutting board, let it rest for about 10, maybe 15 minutes, cut it open, and show you the end of it. I've let it cool off. I've let it rest. Sat on a plate. I'm just going to dump some of these juices right back on it. Okay. Rid of that. A nice sharp knife. And just for the video, I'm going to cut right in the middle so you see. I think it's probably more like medium rare. I think it's more like medium rare. I said medium earlier, but let's see what it looks like. And we got medium rare.
Looks delicious.
And that's how you cook a flat iron steak.
Your shadow is kind of blocking it. There you go. Looks so good.
Thanks for watching Drew Does with the Prophet. Please like, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this or have any content suggestion, please let me know. Thanks again. Later.